The race on Tigers win from the outside. Next big thing. Born Tycoon out of father outside. Si Senor Divine. Arbindugo is running in 6 by the 7th positions riding ahead. On the outside, Kati Punera both second last. Lyotar is running at the tail of the field. Next big thing by Alenkanaf, si Senor Divine racing on the outside and in fourth position Born Tycoon striding ahead, moving up by the Ralisar Bindugo and rounding the far turn. Next big thing, si Senor Divine is on the outside. Born Tycoon in between runners is striding ahead, is running by the Tigers Queen Arbindugo as they swing for home. Next big thing by Hapaland on the outside, si Senor Born Tycoon riding ahead and on the outside Divine and nearing the last 250. Next big thing, this time by about 4 lengths now, followed by Divine on the outside, si Senor and nearing the finish line. Jeff Tagulaw Zarate on next big thing. Botbo, Divine, si Senor and close. Tigers Queen riding ahead.